We're excited to introduce our latest pattern collection, Seaside Escape. This charming capsule of sewing patterns was inspired by the elegance of coastal living and the spirit of summer adventures. Whether you're lounging by the beach, exploring a seaside town, embarking on a cruise, or simply daydreaming of your next warm weather getaway, this thoughtfully designed lineup will add style, function, and charm to every escape. We've created this chic collection for those who love fashion and function. Each pattern has been designed to either use solo or paired together to create a versatile ensemble. Whether you're sewing for a beach weekend, a tropical vacation, or just daily outings, we hope that these patterns in this collection inspire your next project. And before we dive in to tour each of these brand new patterns, be sure that you're subscribed to our YouTube channel and our email list so you'll be the first to know when we drop new patterns, tutorials, kits, and more. Now, let's take a look at the Seaside Escape collection. The collection includes a variety of projects from functional accessories to elegant bags. Each pattern is crafted with subtle coastal details and practical construction to make your summer stitching both enjoyable and inspiring. And as always, every design comes with a free step-by-step video tutorial to help you along the way. The first pattern that we're highlighting is called the Monogrammed Pouch, and what's even better is that this pattern is a free download on our website. This project is a great pattern for beginners, or if you're just looking for a quick, satisfying make. Kate on our team designed this pattern, and you'll hear more from her later since she has also designed another pattern in this collection. The small size of this pouch makes it the perfect project for scrap busting or upcycling. Plus, it's a great size to test embroidery, adding ribbons, iron-on initials, or adding other flair for your own fun embellishments. This compact pouch is perfect for organizing small essentials such as lip balm, earbuds, or travel snacks. You can also use a non-woven fabric such as faux leather or cork to add a personal touch for yourself or make this pouch as a thoughtful gift. This bag is a chic and practical addition to any beach bag or suitcase. If you're someone who's always on the move and needs a bag that can keep up with you, the Lake Backpack will be your new go-to carry-all. This brand new, never-before-seen pattern has been designed to be stylish and practical. Think of it as your ultimate day pack for summer. The size of this backpack is ideal for a full day out, and the shape makes it easy to sew and even easier to use. This pattern was designed by the fabulous Renee Kapitansky on our team, also known as my supportive, beautiful mom. She is also the Sallie Tomato buyer, travel coordinator, sewist, and all-around team support.
Hi everyone, I am Renee and I designed the lake bag. I was inspired because I had some fabric from Peru and I really wanted to show it off, but I didn't want to make the whole backpack from the Peruvian fabric. I wanted to have some support fabric from the faux leather. We have all kinds of colors and the Peruvian fabric is so pretty. I could really choose anything. You can also use cork. So one of the features I love the most on this bag is the closure on the front. It's very unique by using a strap arch. I'm not sure how many of you have used a strap arch before, but this is a different take on it. The way that the bag closes in the front. This bag has a lot of different ways that you can carry it over your back. You can have it over your shoulder, you can use the handle on top. So it's very versatile to be able to grab that and go. I would love to see your take on it and I hope to see a lot of them soon.
The Lake Backpack is designed for ease and functionality with a minimalist silhouette, roomy compartments, and a breezy coastal-inspired style. Whether you're walking scenic boardwalks or trekking through the city, this backpack holds everything you need from water bottles to your swimsuit while staying sleek and stylish. If you love the look of a designer handbag but want to make it yourself, the Lane shoulder bag is the perfect project to add to your list. And we can thank Renee for this design, as she's added another chic design to our collection. We absolutely love her pattern ideas.
The Lane bag was inspired by Elizabeth Lane in Christmas in Connecticut, one of my favorite Christmas movies. She's very stylish and would have something I would think that you would buy in New York. So this bag is easy to make. It is an over-the-shoulder bag, but you can also carry it with the handle straps. One of my favorite things about the bag is the closure on the lane. And this offers you the opportunity that if you just want to keep it simple and use a snap, you can, but you can also step it up by using one of our great flip locks. Another great thing that you can do is you can make this bag in a variety of materials. So I am looking forward to seeing your take on the lane bag.
This pattern will add a polished accessory to your wardrobe with minimal effort. It's got that perfect everyday size, and it's just big enough to carry what you need without feeling overwhelmed. Plus, the shape is flattering and timeless, so it goes with everything from jeans to sundresses. The lane bag has a laid-back sophistication and just the right amount of structure. It is your perfect companion from beach brunch to dinner by the boardwalk. It fits your everyday must-haves and transitions effortlessly from day to night. For the next pattern in our collection, a handbag isn't complete without a wallet, and the Tracy Wallet is the most unique wallet that we have designed yet. We wanted this wallet to feel luxe, yet user-friendly to make. There are lots of options for customization, so I think you'll find that you'll enjoy using it to organize all of your essentials. This pattern was designed by the talented Kate Bashinsky from our team. She makes sure that each pattern is clear and concise so you can feel confident in your bag making.
Hi everyone, I'm Kate. I'm the pattern production director here at SallieTomato. The Tracy pattern was inspired directly from our ever popular Lucky Penny wallet with its very sleek, neat design and super easy sewing. The Tracy wallet is just slightly larger. It features extra card pockets, zipper pockets, and it includes recommended RFID as a lining for additional digital security. Personally, I really love having the zipper pockets, but I think you'll also enjoy all the extra card pockets that you can slip cards right into in the wallet, and also just having fun with the different hardware options, such as the closures and the chain strap. The Sallie Tomato cork and faux leathers are perfect for this kind of project. You become the designer and create confidently through your choice of fabrics, hardware, and all those different details. I can't wait to see photos of your Tracy wallet.
The Tracy Wallet is all about sleek organization. With multiple compartments for cards, currency, and tickets, it keeps everything you need structured and in style. It can be used as a wallet or add a chain and it becomes a simple purse for a night out. Either way, it's a traveler's best friend. The next pattern in our Seaside Escape collection is the Drew custom cover, and this pattern is all about personalization and practicality. So whether you're traveling with a passport or your planner, a sketchbook for documenting your inspiration, or a journal for all of your adventures, this pattern is for you. I had so much fun designing this pattern. This is a great project for thoughtful gift giving or creating a coordinated travel set. Plus, it sews up quickly and looks so professional when it's finished. The Drew pattern is more than just a cover. It's your personal travel protector. It's designed to be custom fit to your project, and it keeps your essentials safe and stylish. Whether you're jotting down vacation memories or sketching seaside scenes, Drew adds that personal, polished touch. Now for something a little playful. The Olivia Bag pattern has an elegant silhouette because of its simplicity. And the best part is that you only need a few materials and you can sew this in an afternoon. This pattern was designed by Audra Hoy-Chameson. She is the marketing and content producer at SallieTomato, and she works on our content and collaborations so that we can continue to introduce more sewists to bag making.
Hi, I'm Audra, and I am so excited to design my first bag for SallieTomato. The Olivia Knot bag was inspired by Olivia Pope from the show Scandal, which was a favorite of mine all 7 seasons. And this bag I really loved because it brought in the versatility of being able to use different fabrics and also carrying over techniques that we use in apparel sewing and bringing that into bag sewing in a really approachable, beginner-friendly manner. It's great for all ages, and I hope that you can make your Olivia bag in a way that really speaks to your style or your daughter's style or your aunt's style or whomever you're making your bag for. Olivia is meant for all occasions, and I hope you enjoy it as much as I do.
Inspired by traditional Japanese design, the Olivia bag is compact, hands-free, and oh so chic. It's perfect for when you want a small bag that still makes a big impression, ideal for weddings, markets, or a night out. Just loop and go. And finally, to add a little flair to finish off your handmade look, we're introducing the purse scarf pattern. This project is a great stash buster, and you can make it out of solids or prints to coordinate with all of your handmade bags. This lightweight scarf adds instant charm to any bag. Tie it around your tote, wrap it around your hair, or use it as a wrist accent. It's the finishing touch to your travel outfit that you didn't know you needed. So whether you're going on a relaxing coastal vacation or perhaps just strolling the streets of your local town, we hope that you enjoy this collection as it blends function and fashion into a creative ensemble of projects. We can't wait to see your take on these designs. Share your makes with us on social media using the hashtag SallieTomato so we can follow along on your creative journey. All of the patterns are linked below in the description, and remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel for new tutorials, behind the scenes, and creative inspiration. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe so you never miss an update. Thank you for joining us, and we'll see you next time for more sewing adventures.